My dear children, this is the 7th module of chapter 4. Here are some points to remember in this particular chapter. In Python 2.x, x determines 1, 2, 3, the version number, prints a statement, not a function. Print is a statement, not a function. Python is case sensitive. That means it will treat smaller letters and upper letters as two different entities, like small m and capital M will be treated differently in Python. We can use up arrow and down arrow to select previous commands and press enter to recall and execute. That is, if you want to repeat any of the steps that you entered before, just go to that particular step, then press enter. Using arrow key, just go to the previous step that you have to copy it into the current place and just print or just press enter. So that line will be appear in that current position. The print statement is required only while working with the script mode. Otherwise, an interactive mode values can be printed without print statement. What will be the output of the following code? This is my first program, a sample of basic statements. Print, watch out. Print Johnny, Johnny, yes Papa within quotes, double quotes. Print no Papa. So what will be the correct? Can you assume what will be the output of the following code? My dear children, as we discussed in the previous module, any line which starts with a hash won't be executed by the interpreter. So the first line, 3 lines are started with a hash. So you will get the answer as C only. That is Johnny, Johnny, yes Papa. On the second line you will get no Papa. So the first 3 lines are considered to be comments and the rest of the 2 lines are the actual statements or actual programs or actual script. So you will get the correct answer as C. Like that you can assume the questions in your exams. That is, they will give a code and you have to make the output. Which of the following are not valid string in Python? This is another sort of programming or programming related questions. These sort of questions you can view in your text bag. That is, after this lesson, there will be more exercise problems. Please go through with your text. So, which of the following are not valid string in Python? So, first string is valid because all the characters, that is sayonara, all the character, that is SAYONARA, all these characters are enclosed in double quotes. So it is valid. Look at the second one. Second one also valid because it is enclosed in single quote. Both are considered to be strings in Python. Look at the third one. It is wrong. Why? Because it started with the double quotes and it ends up with the single quote. Look at the fourth one, that is D. Again, it is having a invalid string because the quotations which they used is mismatch. And the E. Here, instead of any quotation, they had used brackets. So that is also a invalid string in Python. So my dear children, how to give a string in Python? So if you want to show anything to the output, you need to give strings. So how to give the string values? Either you must be enclose all the characters within a string in double quotes or in single quotes. The mismatch will give an error message only. Let me ask some questions about the previous modules. Who developed Python programming language? Is Python object-oriented language? What do you mean by object-oriented language. Python is high-level language. What does it means? What does cross-platform means? Python is free and open source. What do you understand by this feature? What is the difference between interactive mode and script mode in Python? My dear children, you need to have a correct answer for all these questions. Then only I can able to know that you are well aware about Python and its basic introduction part. Thank you.